Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over step 23 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 23 is to inspect the contactor for pits and burns. Just like an old car, it used to have a point system, and we used to do a quick tune-up on them by simply cleaning and inspecting those points and making sure that it was all working properly. A contactor works very similar. Contactor here requires 24 volts to pull the plunger in, which then transfers the 220 or 240 volts, depending on who you're talking to, from one side to the other and turns the whole unit on. What happens when those points click together is we get a small amount of arcing. When that arcing happens, it starts to pit inside there and it starts to burn. The worse it gets, the worse the pitting and burning is, the worse it will start the unit up. So it's real important that we check those points inside there and make sure that they're clean of debris, that they're nice and flat and not super pitted, because that will make this air conditioner run better. When a contactor fails, it's going to fail one of two ways. It's either going to fail open, which means the outdoor unit simply just won't run, or it's going to fail closed when those points weld together, and then the unit outside runs non-stop, even though the indoor unit's turning on and off, which again goes back to no airflow inside, lots of refrigerant outside moving. We're going to turn this whole system into a giant snowball, and that's not good because we can damage all the internal equipment. So it's really important that you get your tune-up done and then follow it up with maintenance after that to make sure that this contactor works really well, just like you would have with your car. So please, get your tune-up done. See you on the next video.